What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, back for another video. So today, just want to answer a quick question I got from Mr. Josh Todd. He emailed me, and this is what he said. So he said, "Good morning, AJ. My name is Joshua, and I'm 24 years old. I got an LLC for my cleaning business set up. I drive trucks for a living, and I work Monday through Friday with the weekends off. I need advice about how to get clients Monday to Friday. I don't have a set schedule with my job, and I have a set schedule with my job and just me right now. Okay, thanks for the info." He was throwing me out because it said "and" instead of "and." But anyway, all right. So here's my advice for you, man. So it really should be simple for you since you already got that Monday through Friday set schedule, and then on top of that, you said that the schedule changes. So what that means is you probably got some time off during the day, Monday through Friday. So on those days where you know you're not working during the day, you should either be A, cold calling on the phone, B, going door to door, so flyers for your business, or C, buy some leads from Clean Biz Network or Bark or Thumbtack, so we can set appointments for you. And that, well, actually, my company sets appointments for you, Clean Biz Network. They don't set appointments for you, but they can send you leads where you can call and set an appointment for yourself to go in and provide a walkthrough. All right. So that's all you should be focused on your off time during the week, is whether you're going around calling or you're going door to door, whatever the case may be. But your focus should be getting appointments set to do walkthroughs so you can go out, present your company to other businesses, create the proposal, and send them over a quote for how much you want to charge and try to close a deal. That's all you should be doing during your off time. All right. Now, the fact that you work Monday through Friday, that also helps because on those days where when you're off, you can clean after hours. So I don't know what time you get off, but let's just say if you work at night sometime instead of the day, on those times you work the day, you should be looking for contracts. And then on those days where you work early and you got the evenings off, then hopefully you can get some appointments. You can get some customers scheduled to clean on those evenings when you got the time off. All right, because let's just say you get a customer that only wants you to come 3 days a week. Well, it's up to you to negotiate what those 3 days are, right? Now, y'all have to come to a conclusion on what they need and what's best for them as well. But if they want you to come Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, you can knock that out because you're not actually you probably have that time off at least twice during the week when you're working early, right? But the point is this: you can make it happen. Just figure it out, make it happen. I recommend too that you maybe hire somebody or have some type of helper or assistant or somebody on hand, so just in case if you get a contract and then they want you to come during time where you actually gonna be working with your day job, you're driving trucks, then you have that other person to lean on or other two people. But have some type of plan in place. But right now, all you want to focus on is getting them contracts, all right? Because like you said, you got the LLC. Hopefully you got the EIN number. I didn't see you mention that. But you got the LLC, so make sure you got the EIN number and the business bank account as well. Also, set up your books, okay? So go ahead and start, create your account with waveapps.com so you can get your books in order and then be ready to send an invoice when you get your first customer. You can do that, all right? But this is really all my advice to you, man. Just get out there and make it happen. When you got off time, all you need to do right now is obsess on getting that customer. That's the first step. So what I like to do is I don't like to cross no bridges until we get there. Okay, so right now the only bridge you need to focus on getting to is getting a customer. Right, getting a walkthrough. Get the walkthrough first. Then once you get the walkthrough, get the customer. And then once you get the customer, then you figure out the schedule and how you're gonna make it work. Okay, but for now, just keep focusing on getting that walkthrough and getting that customer. All right, so that's what I got for you, Josh, man. I wish you the best, and hopefully you can take some action and get this thing going, man, and you start bringing in some revenue. All right, so that's what I got for y'all. If y'all like this video, y'all want to see more from me, drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to hear. You can also shoot me an email, and I want to make this very important point. Okay, he kept his email short. Notice how short this email is. Okay, as long as you keep it short, I get to you quick. But if you know what I mean, if you trying to give me your whole life story, I honestly just don't got time to read that. I'll eventually get to it, but it won't be quick, okay? So keep your answers short. Keep your email short if you do decide to email me, aj@cleanbiznetwork.com, and hopefully I can answer your question as well. Thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you.